Full peeps. Yes, I. Good morning, good day, good night, good evening. How you all doing? Sunrise out here 5 to pick a breadfruit off a tree. See it here? Yeah, man. The breadfruit here, peeps. I want to fry it for breakfast, but I have to roast it first. So you know, a sunrise style we ain't playing. Yeah, man. Roast breadfruit from the tree right to the fire. That's how we do it. Yardman style, you see it, peeps? Yardman style. We ain't playing. Breadfruit are going to roast. So you know, say, after I roast when I want him, I just go put him down till the morning. I fry it for breakfast. You see it? See that breadfruit are going with him bag of things now. So I just make each side get a burn. And you know, say, I'm ready for fry. Yeah, man. Sunrise style, peeps. Yes, what's up, my beautiful peeps? You know, say the breadfruit done roast now, you know, so tomorrow morning I go do the frying for breakfast, you know, so catch me in the morning. I look on some sunrise. A biggie. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Big up all of the beautiful peeps from all over the world, you see it? Yeah, man, big up sunrise fans, them whether them there yard or abroad. You know things said. Yeah, man, the next nice lovely morning at sunrise place, you know, so gonna make some breakfast. In the morning, I have some more. You know, I go on. Want to fry some breadfruit. I don't even know what I'm going to eat with the breadfruit yet, but anything I eat with the fried breadfruit, I'm going to go on, you see it. So I that the on the menu today. Want to fry some breadfruit in the morning, breakfast style, sunrise style. You know, we ain't playing. You man, just like up the video, share up the video, subscribe to the channel. Cause you know the thing go, peeps. Yeah, man, we out here do the right thing. Nice sunrise this morning again. Both man them they all both out to see. It's a good look. Yeah, man. In a real life. So we just there now I go and all our vibes. So I'm ready to jump in the kitchen. Make some breakfast outdoor style. Sunrise style. Ain't playing. Yes. Boy, my soup yesterday last night I come and search this morning. I find little fire and I eat. So you know, so I just go through you know and catch up at the fire and up peeps. Yeah, man, this a fire burn right through last night. So we just put some bram pan him and now catch him up back. Then we can start the full cooking. Ain't playing, peeps. Alright. Open kitchen on the fire now up here, so more fire now there. Fire. Alright. Looks like I'm good. There's a open kitchen now. Alright, peeps, you know, say, Mama, they I smoke some You see it in a real life. I guess she come out and she said she like how the fire smoking in the morning, so she put on some meat on it for smoke. Because normally, you know things setting up for them country, them smoke meat. So that she are going with in the morning, yeah, in a real life. And you know, say, I have the breadfruit here, so you know. I want to peel off the breadfruit here now, peeps. Yeah, man, if you start do some frying under the coconut oil. Sunrise style, we ain't playing. Yeah, man. Nice and lovely there, yard to the peeps. Yes, peeps. You know, yard man, they again, you know, I go up on the ladder right now, you know. Yeah, man. I go in a tree, but I'm not ready yet. But I go in a slippers. Slippers not working in a tree. I'm on shoes. Yeah, man, in a Ackee tree, you know. Right before me yard, you see it, peeps. Yeah, man. See me house over there, so. Yeah, man, me just the right out of my gate, the whole family out here. You see it? Crying Saturday, Dirty Friday, 45, 28. And right now, me there in the tree. You see it, me peeps. I hug him up. See a fat. Yeah, man. Pie. Yeah, man. So we do it one yard man style. In an Ackee tree, I know, peeps. Look, some Ackee. Ain't playing. Yeah, man. Way up. Yeah, lend me the stick then, or pass me a stick then.
He's going up into the Ackee tree.
Yeah,
oh
man.
My goodness.
Yardman style.
So high. Give me a camera. I can hold this one.
Come man.
Look at how high this tree is.
Yes, peeps. Line up and pick some Ackee, you know. We ain't playing.
Do you know how...
Peeps, you know, man, in the Ackee tree, you know. Fight for Ackee, you know. Yeah, man.
How you survive up here in the country?
Ackee jump off. Yeah, man, we have to survive a country, man. Pick the fruit off from a tree and Ackee off of a tree, you know, good, man. In the city, you can survive. Yes, man, we gotta make it in the country. Whoosh. Yes, peeps, me up here now, see them, man? Yeah, man, I them Ackee, you know, walk one. Yeah, man. See it? Yeah, man, walk my Ackee. Ackee coming down London Bridge. Oops. We not play, you know. Yeah, man, then I Ackee tree same way, you know. Look, me I look about to come down, you know. Yeah, man, I'm gonna cook some food, you know. Yeah, man, sunrise style, you know. What did, yo. Yeah, man, in the Ackee tree, peeps. That's how we do it, man, yard man style. No enough I wanna scare son, see sunrise I do this, but don't scare. We know we're doing it. We not left joystick in a tree. We broke out everything. Everything we broke out, peeps. Yeah, man. That one a trunk, you can't broke that. This can't broke, you gotta run. 45 a run. Alright now, pick up some Ackee now, you know. Cause you know the thing set, you know, just come off a tree. So my sister me no drop off, I come off, cause I'm a big climber, you know, peeps. Only per tree we climb back in the days, you know. So you know, so them you know, I head to the kitchen with them right now.
No playing, no jumping on me.
You wanna reach over here now. Right here now. Don't know, so you shell out the Ackee them, you know, peeps. Yeah, man, you have to take them out and shell it. Yeah. Then you have to cut off the head of them and then you have to clean out the middle. So I go through here now and start the cleaning process. We ain't playing.
I'm doing it fast.
Yeah, man. We do everything fast, you know, man.
I'm gonna help you.
We are fast bullet, you know. Yes. You say clean? Yeah, you know she there clean out the Ackee them for her style though. She just use her hand. Do you want me to see how you do it? Using hand. There's enough people do it still. When I do it, so you know, waste the ackee. When you cut it with the knife, you waste it. You not lie. But you don't like clean it out.
Right, and when you do it like that with the hand, sometimes it comes right out. The thing comes right out, and it's clean already.
So this is the ackee peeps. So you just throw it in some boiling water, then you throw the boiling water, then you fry up the ackee. A biggie! Yes, my peeps. Fry the breadfruit and now, so you know, so I just go through and peel off the breadfruit. Yardman style, sunrise style. Yeah man, for breadfruit nice peeps. Man, you just take your time, you peel off the breadfruit peeps. Yeah man, just a peel and turn. And you know, so this roast from yesterday evening, you know. Yeah man. And yesterday evening this roast peeps. Alright, you know when you done peel the breadfruit, you have to bust in a two, you know, peeps. Then some people bust in a four, some just bust in a two, no bust in a four. Then you can take out the heart, you remove the heart by just cut. See? Yes peeps, remove the heart. You just go like this. Yeah man, these are the trash, these are the good part. Yeah man, see your man. The breadfruit pretty and nice. Yeah man. And then you slice it to how you want to fry it. See, so this is a slice. Yeah, so if you want to slice them bigger, you want them thin, it all depends. But you better you go up on a nice size. Get at least 4 out of 1 side. You see it? You catch it? Yeah man. Whoops. Press again. Whoops. 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 Yes, my peeps. And then I go in at the cooking oil and go fry up. Sunrise style, yardman style. We want it to be the world style. Is it? Yeah man. Ain't playing. You don't know if you see NOC back to come out, you know. If I know NOC, you know, you have to be onion. And if I know onion, you know, original cooking oil, you know. Yeah man, I'm ready to start fry up here. Fry the breadfruit then you know. Then I cook up the ackee with the salt mackerel. So it's a good look, you know. Yeah man. So that piece original coconut oil. Gonna fry up and some scallion and garlic. We ain't playing.
Anytime. Give it some time.
Yes peeps. Breadfruit are going in pot, you know. So is it. I'm not fry stuff or cook stuff. I like when my pot level. Smell nice under the original coconut oil. That's the only thing coconut oil in a peeps. The original one they make a yard. Nice. Smells good. Good peeps. So then I'm going to fry it now and get some brown color. Then we turn it, then you know it thinks it. These are turning steak, you know. So give them a rough turn peeps. So they look good. Fried breadfruit sunrise style.
I'm just working my thing. Can you wait 1 second? Wait 1 second.
Yeah, my friends, them they done already, you know. So one you can make it fry more brown or more crisp if you like it so, but I don't like nothing too crisp. Yeah, I like to eat the food with the inside. When it's too crisp, I'm going to crisp it thing you eat and you just kung. That's it. So I take out some here now and I'm going to put in some more. Sunrise style. Peeps, why? When you cook, you have to turn your pot here, man. While I'm going to go up, let's go this something. And the fire get bigger on that pot, burn up all of the things and rasta. See them? Black, yeah, some people fry it till it get crisp like this. See how look cute? Yeah, man. So, what I'm going to do here now, put on the Ackee. Breadfruit. Nice, man. Yes, sir. Time to me Ackee then go in our pot now. Make them go cook. You know, so when them they cook, you know, you have to take them out of boiling water and fry them up. You know, some oil and onion with the salt mackerel and all those stuff. You know what I mean? So nice style. Yes, now, you know, so the Ackee they cook, you know, peeps. Yeah, me have a salt mackerel over here, so I boil off too. When I go deal with the salt mackerel or your saltfish, you know, you have to boil it off. So I eat that, me don't scald them off or boil them off, whatever. So two of them, they know me, I mix them together. I have to go pick up the salt mackerel. Then I cut up like some onion, garlic, scallion and thyme and throw all of them together, you see it. So it's gonna be one big cooking. Yeah, man. One big outdoor cooking piece. Ackee with salt mackerel, onion, garlic, scallion, thyme. A biggie. Alright, peeps. Don't pick up the salt mackerel now. So, I fry it up, you know, so I just go through and I cut up all of my little spice them pan it. Then I throw it in the oil piece. You know, so I cut up some onion and tomato and all these stuff. You can put whatever you want to put on it, you know, peeps. You want the salt mackerel of the day, I have to do some rundown, you know. Or next time when I get that here, my peeps. You want to cook up the Ackee now. I have some fresh scallion too. Just remember, put whatever spice you want to put on it, peeps. That's it. So all of them I go fry up now some oil. Then I throw the Ackee pan it. Then I throw some black pepper. Then you know, say I'm ready to eat food. And plain. Yeah. So I catch me when them I fry up. Hi. Some fresh garlic. Speed. Easy does it. Drop some time. I'll at you now. Fire look wicked, you know it's a trouble like John shop door. All this I know I have to go through this and take with myself in a piece. Right now I know it's a trouble like John shop. You know want to see why? Yes. Right now it's a splash up. Now to lift up all the camera piece. You can't lift down make the camera touch where I go on, but look on it. Yeah. And the Ackee now in here, this is just a little vegetable them with the salt mackerel and then I throw in the Ackee. You know what I normal in a peeps. Yeah man, in a real life. It's going to look good and it's going to taste good. Carry over and get some fire. This piece, and just let this go and fry up and cook up. Then I throw in the Ackee with some black pepper. Easy does it. Yes, peeps. The Ackee that I just show you. Most of the pot is soon ready for the Ackee now. So then you cook up. Yo, you say it smell nice. Sweet and you know so it nice. Look on it. Tastes nice of it, yo. I just big yam and country style. I'm showing you here now. Yes, peeps. See that Ackee gone in our pot here now. Yes. Look, peeps. Yo, it look nice. Only thing we want to know is this. Some Jamaican black pepper. We just color up the Ackee. That's it. You know. Color him up piece that is pretty and nice for him now. We ain't playing, look at it now. A piggy. Yeah. The funny peeps. I make it pop look here now. Then the next time you see me, you know, so I eat now, eat breakfast. You know. You can take a little bit of water if you want it. But otherwise, if you don't want to water, you just cover up the pot and give it a couple of minutes. And you know I eat that. Yeah, man, so. Take it on the table. Breakfast. A biggie! Yeah, man, it's on a bun in our yard, peeps. So you know what? I just find myself in the barrow, you know. Yeah, man. So in the barrow, you know, and just I eat my food, you know, peeps. Now I watch no face, you know. But me I tell you, say, breadfruit. Nice. Breadfruit, nice, peeps. With the Ackee and salt mackerel. You know I'm out big one. Finger looking good. Nice, mom.